Sightseeing.
Like cool shit.
Tonight we want to go go-kart racing, I hope.
Mario Kart.
Tomorrow we can get a photo shoot in. I hope.
I hope.
I'm ready today. I got my hoodie. My neck is good.
Hey vlog, we just arrived at Gundam Factory to see the transport stuff. I got me, Aisha, Scotty, Tam.
Yeah, I wish you luck tomorrow, but you know, we got it this time.
Oh,
you
man.
You can't do 3 in a row. You can do 2. You can beat us twice. 3 times though. But I wish you luck though. It's gonna be a good game. I think it's gonna be 31-28.
Oh, good game. That sounds like a
Hey, that's your nemesis in Japan.
It's stamped with life.
Is it a good idea or what?
Let's see.
I'm a real nerd.
Egg and cheese. It's hot. Oh shit.
Yes.
Gundam, forward to launch position.
G キャリアのストそれにオリジナルの AI もまだ復元できていないそこにまだ何か
また再開しましょう。システムが危険な状態です。トリプスが急激に低下。
緊急停止しよう
ダメです。システムがコマンドを受け付けません。オペレーションシステムを再起動します。
The best moment of my life. Look at the hands.
メインシステムが回避します。
Gundam.
ガンダム起動
Gundam. This shit is crazy, bro. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Andrew. Film the future. That's what we said. We. You. Yes. Our company. Yes, this is our company. For you. Because you're so stylish. So swag. You are very, very. Your birthday. Yes. Oh, happy birthday. You're welcome. Yes,
Next Gundam moving is
Water time.
15-20.
I'm a one-hitter quitter, boy. Look at that.
That shit really tweaking.
You done came off the fucking boat. You about to drown that nigga.
He was gonna drown that nigga.
I didn't really pay attention.
Robot guys.
That's crazy.
Gundam
The fuck is this? Hot dog with cheese. Run it.
Ushi sweat. I know, right? Some hot food.
I want one.
Cheese hot dog.
Scrumptious.
Oh, the bun is so light. The meat is light, but the cheese is like very consistently thick.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Nice little shrimp, little spice, little sweetness.
Not bad. Not bad. Bread is nice though.
Hot dog info. 10 out of 10.
What's that?
Little smoothie. You know, mixed fruit.
Little phantom melon, little buster. What saving yourself for? You know what he's saving himself for.
No, spicy teriyaki chicken fillet with shrimp chipcore fillet.
Gundam Factory, rice, fried chicken, some type of sauce. Don't get me. Get this. Then we have this. This is a Japanese delicacy, they told me. And it's filled with red beans.
Ah.
And it's sweet. It has the texture of like a bean. It's a pink world.
You know what it tastes like?
Earlier, but I did not like it.
I did not like it. It's good though.
It's crazy.
Small this it is for him to be able to do this.
Okay.
Live a different life. We different. Y'all doing the same shit. Y'all at Paris Fashion Week. Building robots and shit.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Obrigado.
We're in this car. Drew and them are in that taxi in front of us. Yeah.
This shit is
Bro,
lit.
what
It's like we in a go-kart. It's like we in a go-kart in this
This
shit.
shit crazy, bro. Ain't no way.
He got the roller down window.
You gotta put your work in,
Some of y'all
man.
kids don't even remember what that's like.
Y'all just saw the Gundam, now you seeing manual work. It wasn't a statue, bro. That shit was a functioning robot. A real robot. That shit was legit. It was doper than dope could be. Trust.
I mean, it's more straight than you.
Oh.
You were? So we made it. This is fucking sick. I am very excited. I have been waiting to go thrifting in Tokyo since I was about 10 years old. I wasn't letting no fucking train fare stop us. The fuck? We're currently walking around in the streets here looking for some good thrift. Of course, we're looking for the one store that's called New York.
literally.
You gotta be an avid thrifter to find.
Those are hard.
I would get these off.
Mexico. That's fire, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. On to the next. Definitely on to the next. Yo, hangout? That is fire, yo. How much is that?
That's fire.
101.
Camel? I actually haven't seen it.
It's a leather padded jacket because it's cold right now.
It's dumb cold right now. How much is a piece like that? Okay.
Because it's kind of old Japanese kanji, so.
Right.
That's fire.
That shit's hard.
Crazy.
It's time to cop.
It's time to cop. You already know. Yeah, it's currently freaking cheap. So what is your YouTube channel?
Say hello to the new tube. Home Fem.
Home Fem.
Home Fem.
Okay, I subscribed it.
Oh, easy money.
Yeah.
Heard it here first.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Mikey Kai.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Yo, what's good?
Cam, aka the Sandman, Skywalker, you know the vibe, and we out here, dog.
What's the next best motion?
Next best motion.
Which direction? Ooh. Playing.
As per usual, the women's section fucking sucks. Kate Spade looking ass.
Fit check.
Fit check. Everything is from Goodwill. Well, except for the shoes, they from 2nd Street, but they still thrifted. Goodwill, like $3. Goodwill when I was like 12, $5, $8, $2. Goodwill. I got the pants on too. $3. Goodwill. $2.50. It was on sale. Goodwill. This is also from Goodwill. I don't remember. Dolce.
Shout out chicken. Cue the future ESTG. What's the spot?
Omotosando.
You know, if Cardi want a Cardi, all over Cardi can do that. Like, I'm not a Cardi fan. I don't give a fuck. Young Boy, on the other hand, there will be no Young Boy kisses over here.
I gotta pronounce it.
Here. We're over there.
I think Chrome Heart is over there. Yeah, exactly. You know the vibes, man.
Yeah.
Tokyo living, Harajuku.
This is a part of the.
Too small? Oh, no, I'm good. Today's Saturday, huh? So here's a new drop today, so it might be good. Because they do drops on Saturday here. And
last time I was
Must go hype beast. Must go to the hype beast. Must. Nah, we really do this shit, bro. This is gonna be in Melrose, but like in Japan.
Yeah, that's supreme.
Nah, we really.
Twin.
This is the most Japan shit ever.
Y'all funny. Y'all funny. Can't take the shades off for nothing though.
never. He's prescription, that's why.
That's crazy.
Oh, bro. Get the gloves, man.
Do you dip the burger in that shit?
I mean, you can pour it inside, but also like I use it for my fries.
Make your way up here, bro. I feel like a real line cook with these, bro. Cool.
One, it's like versatile. It's got like shit going on.
Yeah.
Wow. Are these for sale?
Oh, shit. That's rare.
Normal.
That nigga only weigh 100 pounds though.
Nigga, that's 1,000, bro.
Oh shit.
That nigga got
Oh, it's heavy. Byron, you see these? They got the Deion Sanders in.
What's your favorite, John? Which ones? These or these?
No, those. You know why? You on your Nas and Belly right now. You trying to go to Africa. Those are better. Damn, I wish I could pick these.
Who? I don't know, bro. I like these better, bro.
Nah, bro, you playing the safe, man.
No, I'm not playing the safe. I like the build better. Those are gonna break.
Yeah, but you look like Nas. Yeah. We're going in right now?
Yes, sir. It's fire. That's an original Bape Store?
Where it all began when Nigo decided to make this camera pop. What flavors they got? Skatesters?
Skatesters?
Tokyo exclusive. Yeah. Look tough. This is crazy.
I want the plastic.
That's a good color. That's a great color. Right, that's a great color.
I'm trying to do some local shit, but that's nice.
There's only room for one person to be open to Harajuku Streets.
Straight up out the trenches, off me too pretended. I'm blue to the blue bitches, I'm flying to the gun. I influence these niggas to dream it. In advance, I'm looking for a
I ain't really got much to say right now.
With a script, nigga, rob a nigga, make a nigga get naked in the club. Climb on, nigga, point in the pussy, nigga, fuck it down. Shoot a gift, spend my money, get on with that shit.
How was that shit? I didn't even know y'all was going to the strip club like that.
That wasn't even a
That wasn't a strip club.
It was just a
Titty bar, bro.
No, not even a bar.
Oh, this is a different life.
Niggas is on different
They
time.
party from 2 to 10 here. Like, that shit is weird, bro.
Because of the trains, bro.
Because of the trains?
Trains open at 5 a.m. They close at 12, then they like open back up 5 a.m.
It makes sense.
Not a Nintendo.
We're not a Nintendo. We're not a Nintendo.
Not a Nintendo.
Byron, you look like a real uncle right now. I ain't gonna lie.
I should check out this Bearbrick Store.
Oh wait, where's that?
I'm nigga.
I'm not gonna lie, we came here for Bearbricks and we couldn't
Yeah?
get this shit. I ain't gonna lie, like I would come like bring Shorty back out here to just chill.